This is a question about different periodic trends. We're going to look at 6 different elements which are circled: magnesium, strontium, phosphorus, chlorine, argon, and bromine. For the first question, which atom is the largest, we want to look here at the lower left of the periodic table, where things are the largest. So that would be strontium. For which atom is the smallest, here we look at the upper right, and we can see that argon is the one closest to the upper right. Which atom is the most electronegative? This is going to also be at the upper right, so I'll write most electronegative here. But here we have to be careful because noble gases are not going to be electronegative and want to get an electron. That's because argon's electron will immediately go over here into the 4s orbital. So when we look at most electronegative, we're going to not look at noble gases, and we want to focus on chlorine. For least electronegative, there we're going to focus on the lower left, and our answer is again strontium. The atom with the highest first ionization energy, that goes with most electronegative, highest ionization energy. And in this case, argon is a good answer because we're not trying to add an electron, we're trying to remove it, and argon is going to have the lowest energy orbital. For the lowest first ionization energy, here again we're going to look at the lower left, and strontium is our answer. Now, which atom has the highest Z effective? In general, the best way to determine the one with the highest Z effective is to look at the one with the highest atomic number. So, in that case, strontium, which has an atomic number of 38, is going to have the highest Z effective on its outermost electron. However, this is actually a deep thinker question because Z effective increases in 2 different ways. Z effective increases as we go down the periodic table, and also as we go to the right of the periodic table. So you may be wondering, does strontium win because it's further down, or does bromine win because it's further right? Actually, the truth is that bromine wins. And this would not be a typical question on an exam because there's a lot of thinking that's involved in this and something called Slater's rules. But it's a good example to show you how complicated chemistry can sometimes be.